Today we'll be going through rules of indices part 1. So now let's look at the rule 1. So a to the power of m times a to the power of n, we'll have a to the power of m plus n. So what we do is we'll just add these two power up. So now let's look at two examples. So we can see that this is 2 times 3, which gives us 6. And next we'll look at the indices. So x power 2 times x power 3 will give us x to the power of 5. We'll just take 2 plus 3, which gives us 5. Now let's look at the next example. We have 4 times 5, which is 20, followed by the indices. So x power 5 times x to the power of negative 3. We will add the power up. So 5 plus minus 3 will give us 2. Now let's look at the rule number 2. So we have a power m divided by a power n, which give us a to the power of m minus n. So we'll take the 2 power and minus them out. So first, let's see. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. So next we have x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 3 will give us x to the power of 2. So how did I get 2? I just take 5 minus 3, which gives us 2. Now let's look at the next example with a negative index. We'll deal with the numbers first. So 4 divided by 2, which gives us 2. And next, x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of negative 3. So this part is where you have to be careful, because x to the power of 5 will be minus 3 here. So when you have a negative, this becomes positive. So we actually will get 2x to the power of 8. So one common mistake students do here is they'll just take 5 minus 3, which gives us 2, which is wrong. Now, last rule, we have a to the power of m, and the whole thing is to the power of n. So what we do is we just multiply the m and n together. So now let's look at an example. So what we do is we're going to take 2 over 3 times 9, which gives us x to the power of 4. Now let's look at the next example. So we have x to the power of 2/3 times 6, and when you simplify, we'll get x to the power of 4. So that's it.